And the first ever meeting between Wayne Acosta's super pair of She's Amanita and Stranger Danger has the local racing fraternity in a frenzy ahead of tomorrow's fifth running of the ultra-rich Diamond Mile at Caymanas Park. Spencer Darlington gives us a preview of that.
The outstanding 5-year-old Bay Mare, former Triple Crown winner and former Horse of the Year, She's a Man-Eater, will actually be seeking her second victory in the richest event in the English-speaking Caribbean, having produced a supreme effort in the 2017 staging. She will also be looking to rebound from last year's disappointment, where she was the howling favourite but bolted before the start and was subsequently declared a late non-starter. Regular jockey Omar Walker will have the leg up on She's a Man-Eater, who has been working brilliantly at exercise and will actually be seeking her 7th victory from 8 starts this year. Her blistering workouts was highlighted by a 5.5 furlong gallop on October 21, where she blitzed 1 minute 5 3/5, the fastest time for that distance among the entire field for Saturday's contest.
Both have gone well. I think She's a Man-Eater has worked at, I would say, a tiff better than Stranger Danger, but he isn't a great workhorse in the morning. He tends to lay back and save his best for race day, whereas she does it on exercise track and does it on race day. So, but I can't complain about none of them. Two of them have worked, to me, brilliantly coming into the race.
Unbeaten American stable companion Stranger Danger, who will be partnered by veteran jockey Philip Parchment for the first time, is the 4-5 anti-post favourite. The 3-year-old Darby Gelding, who has also been working well on the exercise track, will be seeking his 10th victory from as many starts on local soil, and Acosta explained the reasoning behind the choice of rider.
Well, he has been with his stable all year and he's been winning races, and he's certainly a very capable rider, and I thought he and Trinity fit together. He'd worked him a couple of mornings and he had worked quite good, so why not give him a chance?
Leading trainer Anthony Baba Nunes also has 6 runners, highlighted by Triple Crown winner Supreme Soul to be partnered by regular jockey Shane Ellis and Tuna Ciliata, the mount of 3-time former champion jockey Dane Nelson. Supreme Soul will be fitted with the visor for the first time, and a much improved effort is expected from the 3-year-old Chestnut Colt, who could only manage a disappointing 6th in his last 2 races, including the Super Stakes on October 6.
But going a mile, I just thought I needed him to focus a little bit more. He fooled around throughout the classics, but he was just better than the 3-year-olds going a distance of ground. Against these serious older horses now, the playing around no longer works, and we're just trying to put that on, just to basically let him get a little more serious and focused on what he's doing.
With Acosta holding a powerful hand, which could see him possibly taking the first 2 places and pocketing stakes earnings of around $9 million, Nunes, who entered Friday's program with a lead of $11 million, is bracing for the expected onslaught from Acosta.
Vital in the sense that if we happen to get lucky to beat those 2 top horses, then I think that puts us in a great position to win our first championship. But I mean, when I'm working out things from 6 months ago, we had it basically that She's a Man-Eater and Stranger Danger would be the 1-2 finishers, and we'd be trying to battle for 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th type of deal. So I mean, it's nothing surprising or nothing new that here we are at this point. We anticipated that this is where we would be.
Live racing coverage and an outside broadcast on Diamond Mile Day will be on Hits 92 FM from 1 to 5 p.m. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.